afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pitaka, however you want to pronounce that, Magcase for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This one is for the 6.5 Pro Max, as I said. Very nice features on this case. It is 100% genuine aramid fiber. It is 16 grams, so very, very light. It is 0.85 millimeters thin, and it is wireless charging friendly. And the reason that is so important is because this case does have magnets embedded in it for using a car mount or something like that. You can stick it to your mount. You don't have to stick those to the back of your case. They are positioned as such to where your wireless charging still works, and they won't interfere with your cellular reception. So that is a very, very good plus for this case. Here is the case right here. It does smudge up kind of easy. I've only been using this case for about a day now, and it does smudge if you have oily hands or if you have something on your fingers, something like that. It will show on this case, but it does clean off pretty easily. I just wanted to let you guys see that. You know, some screen cleaner or something like that, I use the whoosh cleaner, cleans it right off. The camera is flush, so your camera bumps do not stick out, which is very nice. You don't get a rock on a table or anything like that. So you can sit it down flat. This case is not one that you want to use if you're looking for all-around protection. If you're looking to protect the screen or anything like that, this one is not for you. I do use a screen protector, so I'm not too worried about it, but it doesn't cover the bottom. It does not stick over the edge of the screen, so you don't have any edges to protect, you know, if it falls flat or anything like that. There's not going to be anything stopping it from the screen hitting the ground. Doesn't protect the buttons or anything like that, or the top of the phone. Those are all open areas. But it does protect the back very well, and it looks very nice. It is very functional with those magnets in there for your car mount and stuff like that. So very, very nice looking case, thin, minimalistic, and does offer good scratch protection for the back of your phone, going in and out of your pockets, and just your normal everyday wear and tear. So that is the Pitaka, I'm going to call it the Pitaka, you know, tomato, tomato, however you want to pronounce this, mag case for the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.